Dear President Trump, I am writing to urge you to address two critical issues that affect the health and safety of the American people: the cessation of important health research by the National Toxicology Program, or NTP, and the urgent need to update the Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, safety guidelines on electromagnetic radiation. These are very important issues for people leaning towards RFK. Restore NTP funding for critical health research. During your tenure, you demonstrated a commitment to the health of Americans, and I believe you can continue this legacy by reversing the Biden administration's decision to halt funding for the NTP's cell phone radiation studies. The NTP's research, which revealed clear evidence of cancer risks from high levels of RF radiation in rats, was pivotal in understanding the potential health impacts of electromagnetic radiation. Despite the significant findings, the Biden administration discontinued further studies due to funding constraints. Restoring funding to the NTP will allow for continued research that is crucial for understanding the long-term health effects of RF radiation. Such research is essential not only for public health, but also for advancing bioelectric medicine, which holds the promise of groundbreaking treatments and a new era in healthcare. By prioritizing this research, you can ensure that scientific understanding keeps pace with technological advancements, ultimately leading to better health outcomes for all Americans. Update FCC safety guidelines. In addition to reinstating NTP research, it is imperative that the FCC updates its safety guidelines for RF radiation. The current guidelines, established in 1996, have not been revised to reflect recent scientific findings. A recent court ruling found that the FCC had failed to adequately address the health effects of RF radiation beyond cancer, including potential impacts on reproductive health, neurological function, and children's health. Updating these guidelines will ensure that they are based on the most current scientific evidence, providing adequate protection against the harmful effects of RF radiation. This is crucial not only for safeguarding public health, but also for fostering innovation in technology, while ensuring that safety standards are rigorous and up to date. A call to action. President Trump, your leadership in these areas will demonstrate a strong commitment to the health and safety of the American people. By taking action to restore funding for the NTP and updating the FCC's safety guidelines, you will address critical gaps in our current understanding and regulatory framework, ultimately protecting public health and paving the way for scientific and technological advancement. Let us unite in this endeavor to ensure a healthier future for all Americans. I urge you to take decisive action on these matters and show your commitment to prioritizing the well-being of our citizens. Thank you for your attention to this important issue. I look forward to your positive response and the actions you will take to address these pressing concerns. Sincerely, John Coates.